Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to customize the GeneratePress theme. First, open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance, then Customize. This is your central hub for making global changes to your website's design. Here, you will find options to adjust your site's layout, colors, and typography. These settings provide a powerful foundation for shaping your website's unique look and feel, ensuring a consistent design across all pages. We will explore each of these areas in detail. Next, let's dive into layout and spacing. GeneratePress offers extensive control over your site structure. You can easily set your container width, perhaps to 1,200 pixels, for a more expansive or compact design. Decide if you want one sidebar, two sidebars, or none at all, and choose their positions. Furthermore, precise padding and margin controls allow you to fine-tune the space around elements, creating a clean and professional appearance with just a few clicks. Now, let's personalize your site with colors and typography. GeneratePress provides robust options to define your brand's visual identity. You can select a primary color, a secondary color, and accent colors to create a cohesive palette. Choose from hundreds of Google fonts, adjusting their sizes, weights, and line heights for optimal readability. Remember to consider color contrast for accessibility, ensuring your content is easily viewable by everyone, enhancing the user experience significantly. Finally, for more advanced customization, explore GeneratePress Elements. This powerful module allows you to create custom layouts, headers, footers, and sidebars without writing any code. You can use hooks to insert dynamic content or custom code into specific areas of your theme. For example, you might add a custom call-to-action banner above your main content. Elements provide incredible flexibility, transforming your website into a truly unique and highly functional platform.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.